Yes, I'm here. I'm
Good
here.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good
Very, very
afternoon,
good
sir.
afternoon. Yes,
Good
good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
हाँ गुड आफ्टरनून।
Good
क्या है,
afternoon, sir.
कुछ इशू है क्या, बोलो।
Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ गुड
No,
आफ्टरनून,
sir. No,
वेरी
sir.
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून। ओके ओके ओके।
Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड आफ्टरनून। Already started recording. Okay, good. Okay, then just wait 1 minute. I have to mail one. I am unable to download the CW first year student section is something autumn semester. Yes, I am taking class. Okay, can we start this lab because it is already not 2:15, it is 2:14. Just wait.
Yes, sir. Please start, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Sir, start, please.
Yes, it is 2:15. Yes, now we can start our lectures. Okay, just wait 1 minute. Let me open this slide first. Okay. Recording is going on or not? Recording, okay. Yes, can you see my window? Can you see my window?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Just
Yes,
wait.
sir.
So, okay, can you see my slide? This slide number 14.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Those who are facing issue, please log out and then again join this group. Then there will be no issue, I believe, because it may happen due to internet issue. Okay, but don't worry, the lectures are available because your friend has already uploaded. Who has uploaded those lectures? Who has uploaded those lectures?
I have uploaded them.
What is your roll number? 120
120 ME
ME
0319.
319. Okay, you got 1 marks. And
Thank you,
one
sir.
student has also helped another friend by showing the lectures, not lectures, that means notes in the WhatsApp group. Someone has uploaded his lectures, that means his notes. Is he available? He or she, I do not know. पता नहीं है कौन अपलोड किया था? Someone uploaded the lectures and he or she wanted to help another friend. Your voice is not coming properly. ठीक है, then I will find him. Okay, so let's start our class. So slide number 14 we have solved. Yes, that means yesterday. Okay, so let's start. Next slide. Can we go to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now just try to solve the same problem. and try to obtain the result. Try to find the same problem, that means using similar procedure, try to solve the problem and try to find the result. Do one by one, okay?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. It's same.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
good,
sir.
good,
It's
good.
completed.
Done,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody facing any issue? Anybody facing any issue? I'm asking to those who are facing issue.
No,
I'm
sir.
asking to those. Okay, there may be some one student. At least one student should be there. कोई है तो है. At least one student should be there. Anyone is there who is facing issue to find the result? No one. Good, good, good.
No, sir.
Okay, good. It is excellent because all the students are doing good. Excellent. So it is AND gate. It is also AND gate. It is also AND gate. It is NOT gate. It is NOT gate. And it is OR gate. So here the input are A and C. So output will be AC. Here the input is directly B and C is the input of NOT gate. So output is nothing but C prime. So the input of this AND gate is nothing but B and C prime. So we are getting B into C prime. In this NOT gate, C is the in this NOT gate. What is the input? It is the input of A. A is the input. Output will be A prime. It is given. B is coming over here. B is coming over here, and C is also coming over here. So input are A prime B C. So it is an AND gate. So A prime B C. Then it should be added. So AC plus BC prime plus A prime BC. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to next slide. Okay. Now, how to implement the circuit diagram? We have given this one. How to? Here the question is in the previous question. Previous question circuit was given. कहाँ गया? ये वाला हाँ circuit. Circuit was given. Then we find Y. So it is the problem. It was given, and we have obtained. We have obtained Y. The problem is if we give Y, how to find circuit? How to find circuit? Okay, so let's try to find. Here the expression is I have to design one circuit where the output, this will be output, that is X, and input is, and the output should be A in plus B, then into B prime C. So what are the input? Input are nothing but A, B,
A,
and
B,
C.
C.
Okay, so from this problem statement, I can easily find the output and input. So as we have A, B, and C input, so I will take A, B, and C. Nothing. Up to this, is it clear? Up to this part, is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Full,
sir.
full
Now-
slide is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I
Yes,
have
sir.
to generate the first term. You focus over here only. First term. What is given? A plus B given. So it is nothing but OR. A or B. So I need one OR gate. So I have taken OR gate where I am giving the input as A and B. So output will be nothing but A plus B. Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Very good.
Clear,
Now,
sir.
now focus on the second part. Now focus on the second part. I am writing the second part over here. B prime plus C. We have B. We have B. So from B to B prime, we have to generate it. So if I want to generate B to B prime, I need one NOT gate. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I have
Yes, sir.
taken one NOT gate. So where the input is given B, where the input is given B, so I will get B prime. Now if I want to generate this output, so B prime is already obtained, then C, and it is OR gate. So again I need another OR gate where the input will be B prime and C. B prime is already given and C is given through this C. So B prime C, so output will be B prime plus C. Okay, then X is nothing but it is a multiplication, this term into this term. So it is nothing but AND operation. AND operation. So I need another AND gate. Then I will give the input this A, B over here and B prime C, B prime plus C over here. Then output will be A plus B into B prime plus C. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is
Yes,
there
sir.
anyone
Yes,
is
sir.
facing issue? Anyone is facing issue? Is it clear?
No,
Anyone is
sir.
there? No one is there, na? Can we move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
very good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we till now we learn AND gate, we learn OR gate, and we learn NOT gate. Okay, so in the NOT gate, how many inputs are there? How many inputs?
One.
Yeah.
One.
In the AND gate, how many inputs are there? In the AND gate,
Two.
two
Two
or more
or
than
more.
two.
Two or more.
Input can be
Two or more.
more than two.
Two or more.
Yes.
Minimum two.
Similarly, OR gate input can be two or more than two. Okay.
more.
Yes. But
Yes.
in the NOT gate, it should be one always. You will never find one circuit like this. You can define different circuit, but it cannot be NOT gate. Okay, you cannot define this as a NOT gate where you will get A, B, then what you will get I do not know, because we cannot define the NOT gate. NOT gate can be defined using only one input. Sorry, is a diode, sign of diode. It is a NOT gate. So if I give A, I will get A prime. Now another gate is NOR. NOR means first of all OR, then it's not
Or
operation.
complement
It's not
of
operation. Okay, so as I told, it is a OR gate, then again a NOT gate. Okay, so I need one OR gate, then I am adding one NOT gate, like this operation, like this OR gate, then NOT gate, and its simplified version is shown over here. Okay, so simple diagram is nothing but one bubble in front of the in the part of output. Here I am giving A and B, so consider this circuit is OR gate. So here I am giving A and B, output here output will be A plus B. Then the A plus B is the input of this one, so output will be A plus B bar. So in this simplified form, NOR gate, if I give A and B as input, output will be A plus B bar. Okay, so in this way we can easily find the output. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I have two input variable. I have two input variable. So how many combinations will be there? How many combinations will be there?
2 to the power 2.
Four.
Yes, 2 to the power 4. That is the 4.
sir.
2 to the power 2. That is
Sir,
4.
2
Yes,
to
it
the
was my
power
mistake.
2.
Yes, yes, it was 2. It was my fault. It was my fault. It should be 2 to the power 2. Okay. Now, this is the input. Simple A and simple B. So I have written this input. This is the input. It is, first of all, we are trying to find the result over here, this step. And this step. So it is A plus B. Then we are trying to find A plus B, NOR operation. So this is my final output. This operation is intermediate result. Now 0 plus 0, output will be 0. So it's not operation. It's not operation. So output will be 1. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then go to next step.
Yes.
0 plus 1, output will be 1. Then it's not operation. Then output will be 1, then 0. Then 1 plus 0, output will be 1. Then it's not operation. Then it is 0. Then 1 plus 1, output should be 1. Then it's not operation, so it should be 0. So what is the conclusion?
Even if there is at least one, then the output should be 0.
Yes,
For
yes,
at least
yes.
one output will be 0.
Okay, but this is not the exact conclusions. You extend this concept. You extend this concept for 3 and 4 variable. Okay, then try to find the conclusion. Okay, it is a homework. Although we are doing engineering, but still there is a homework. Try to extend the NOR operation. Okay, for 3 and 4 variable and try to find the conclusion. Then we'll discuss. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Because
Yes,
sir.
most of the circuit will use either either NAND gate or NOR gate. So that's why we should have the proper knowledge about NOR gate. Okay, not for 2 variable, at least 3 or 4 variable. Then it will be easy. Let's go to next slide. Now it is a NAND gate. Now you can see we have AND gate, then again a NOT gate.
Not of AND gate.
Yes, not of AND gate. So it is AND gate, then it is a NOT gate. So if I give A and B, I will get AB as output of AND gate. Then if I give AB as of the input as an input of the NOT gate, I will get AB prime. So in simplified version, the whole circuit is shown in the above. If I give A and B as an input of the NAND gate, I should get AB bar. And to verify the truth table by yourself, verify the truth table by yourself. So I'm not repeating. If
Okay,
anyone is facing issue, please tell me. I will explain.
They're verified.
Verified, good. Anyone is
Yes,
facing
sir.
any issue?
Verified,
Anyone?
verified.
Those who are verified, okay, good. Those who are verifying, I'm not asking them. Anyone is facing issue? Anyone student? Anyone student is facing issue? हाँ बोलो. Your voice is not audible. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Sir, you have been muted.
Sir, you're muted, sir.
You are muted, sir.
So you're muted.
Okay. Now, am I audible? Am I audible right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Anyone is facing any issue in the evaluation of truth table, in the validation of truth table? Is there anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to next slide. Now, let's learn some Boolean theorem. Okay. Now the thing is that if I want to find, let me this one. If I want to find x into 0, what will be my resultant? What will be my resultant? Obviously 0.
0.
So how to implement this one? It is nothing but AND operation. Multiplication means AND operation. So I can easily take one AND gate, 2 input AND gate, then I will give one input as x, another input as a 0, I will get 0. So in this way, we can easily implement.
Sir, what is the meaning of Boolean? Is it a name or something?
No, it is a name of a person. That's why.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So he has invented this Boolean algebra. So based on that, we are using this theorem. Okay.
It's George Boole, sir.
So this one is x dot 0. So we can implement this thing. Okay. Then I want to implement x dot 1. Then what will be my resultant? 1 or x? Don't see this result.
One,
Just
sir.
Yes, sir.
One,
It
sir.
will be
Why
X, obviously.
X, sir.
If you
why it is x?
Sir, one,
Sir,
one, it
if
will be
X,
different.
if we can take 0
One is
or
already
1
there.
in
One
case
then
in the
it will
X,
be that
then
one.
we'll get
Okay.
only
Good,
0
good,
or 1, sir.
Good.
Sir, X is 0.
Then you get 1 or 0
X,
in the
X.
output.
Very good.
If you take
X
x as 0 and 1. Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, X
Okay,
can
sure,
vary
yes,
from
yes,
0
I
or
got your
1.
point.
So
Yes,
according to that.
yes, we got your point. Yes, we got your point. So x can take 0 or 1. Suppose when we are taking x equal to 0, then x into 1 means 0 into 1 means 0 using this formula.
0.
When x equal to 1, then x into 1 means 1 into 1 means 1. Now here x
One.
equal to 0, so I can, it is right, it is also x. Here x equal
Sorry, sir.
Sir,
You
you
have been muted.
Sir, you have been
you
muted.
are muted, sir.
Sir, you are muted.
Sir, you are muted.
Who is muting, sir?
who is doing this?
Sir,
Who is doing this? Do not mute me at least. I'm requesting to all my dear students, do not mute me. Okay. So that's why don't mute me. Okay. So now my slide is visible.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
if I take x equal to 0, so 0 into 1 means, sorry, x into 1 means 0 into 1, that means 0. So here x 0, here I can. So output is related to x. At least we can find. Then if we take x equal to 1, then x into 1 equal to 1 into 1, that means 1. Again, output, that is input is 1, that means x is 1, then output is 1. So there we can find one relation. Now you see those two conclusion. When x 0, output 0. When x 1, output 1. So we can easily write x into 1 equal to x. Okay. So that is the expression.
Yes,
how to implement. Okay. Let's go to next slide. Now suppose I want to implement x into x. Okay. What will be the result? Simple. Not x square.
X only.
Only x.
Only
It is simple like 1 into 1 like 1. Okay. You observe the same issue. X equal to assume 0. Then x into x is nothing but 0 into 0. That is 0. So there can be a relation between output and input. When x equal to 1, then x into x equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. So again there can be relation. So we can easily find x into x, that is x. Then how to implement the circuit? How to implement the circuit?
And gate, sir.
Because it is AND gate, it is nothing but AND gate. So this is ANDed. So here it is x, here it is x. Two input are x. So then we can combine these two input as a single one, then this single one. So output is x. Okay.
Sir, we can
Okay.
also say na x square, because 0 square equals to 0 and 1 square equals to 1.
Do not pronounce here as 0. The thing is that it normally comes in the algebra, a square b square. Then you will say x into x, then x cube. It will be wrong, na? It should be, answer should be x, na? Because we are performing Boolean algebra. Okay. So that's why do not pronounce here as a square, cube. Okay. So in this way, so it will be wrong.
But the value is same, na sir?
Value can be taken either 0 or 1. Okay. So that's why. So that's why it is better to remember always x, or that means x, either x or 0 or 1 in this way. So do not pronounce at x cube. If you pronounce as the, or if you give the reply ANDed of 3 variable of x, then answer is x cube, your answer will be wrong, na? When the pronunciation is should be correct. That's why. Now, okay, just wait 1 minute. I am requesting to all my students, do not mute me. So now
Someone removed me from the meeting.
it's okay. It is, the lecture is recorded. Okay, so you can consult it. Don't worry. Okay. So now I want to find x to x bar without using NOT gate. Do not use NOT gate. How to find? You are not allowed to use the NOT gate. I want to find x to x prime. How to obtain the result? Bolo.
should be sir.
Sir, we can use NOR gate and both inputs will be X.
Can use NOR.
I can use only one gate. I cannot use or I
NAND
can.
gate.
Yes, NAND
I
gate.
don't know.
Sir, using NOR and NAND.
Yes, sir.
NAND gate.
NOR and NAND.
NAND.
Yes,
Even NOR gate can also be used.
Have you shared the slide? Have you
Yes.
shared the slide? It's visible on my side.
Yes, we have shared this slide. I have shared my screen directly.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir.
visible.
let me
Sir,
restart.
NAND gate is combination of 2 gate, na?
Yes, but it is counted as a single gate, na? It is counted as a single gate. So the thing is that if I give the input x, both x of a NAND gate, so I will get x prime. This thing is normally shown in this way. X prime in this way. Okay, so it is considered as a
The
single
NAND
gate.
and NOR gate are
Sir,
industrially
we can
more used.
also use NOR gate.
Yes, we can. You
Yes,
can
sir.
use
NOR
the
gate
NOT
NOR
gate.
can also be used.
just thoda
The NAND
wait
and
karo
NOR
na.
are industrially more used.
Yes, I agree. But we didn't learn why those are called universal gate. Let's try to proceed step by step. Then we'll come. Okay. As we learn x dot x, that is x. Okay. I wanted to get, if I give x, I wanted to get x prime without using NOT gate directly. That was my query, and someone has gave the answer in lucid way. We can use the NAND gate because it is considered as a single gate. We can use NOR gate, but we need more than one gate. Okay, so that's why. So let's come to this. Let's rub this one. Okay, now here, if I want to implement x dot x prime, what will be my resultant? Do not see these
Zero,
results.
sir.
Zero.
Zero.
Zero, sir.
It will be always
So because
zero.
either x will be 0 or x prime will be 0, so
Yes.
answer will be
Zero will
0.
always appear.
Suppose x equal to 0, then x into x prime, that is 0 into 1, that should be 0. When x equal to 1, then x into x prime,
And X prime is 0.
yes, then 1 into 0, that is 0. So always remember x into x prime or a into a prime or a into a prime, always 0. Okay. So if I implement this circuit, it is a simple implementation. Okay. So now let's go to the next slide. Here I want to find x plus 0. What is the OR gate? That should be x, because the output will be dependent on x. So I can easily use one
X.
OR gate. OR gate. Now in the second one, if I want to implement x plus 1, what will be my result? It will be always 1,
1.
because
1.
x can take 1
Either you
maximum
take
value.
0 or 1, the
Yes,
result
sir.
will be always 1.
Resultant will be always 1 because we are adding 1. So that's why if I want to implement this circuit, it is a symbol of OR, that means OR. So that's why I have to use OR gate. So you give x and 1 in an input of OR gate, I will get 1. So step by step we are proceeding. Let's go to little bit in this way you verify those two circuit, x plus x. Do not write 2x. It is simple x.
So the previous slide.
In the previous slide?
So please. Yes, sir.
Yes. Bolo.
X, sir. No, sir, actually I had not taken the point, that's why.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay, where?
Sir, in binary addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 0 with carry 1. And in Boolean addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 1.
Okay. 1 plus 1, it is 0 in binary. Okay, with carry 1.
With
Is it
carry
clear?
1, yes. Huh.
Now, it is, how many bits are there over here?
1.
1 bit. How many bits are there here?
1 bit.
1 bit. So resultant should be 1 bit, na? So that's why 1 bit. So you will see only 1. If there is any memory, the carry 1 will be stored over there for future application. But in the display, you will see only 0 as output. Okay, it is Boolean, it is binary addition. But Boolean is different. Boolean is totally different with binary addition. There is no concept of binary addition. Here 1 plus 1 means 1. That is the beauty of learning digital circuit. Okay. Boolean algebra is different. Binary algebra is different. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank
Now,
you.
okay, it's okay. It's my duty. So, please verify the second one also. X plus x prime equal to 1.
Done.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. That will be 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone facing any issue? Anyone facing any issue? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Now, De Morgan's theorem. The theorem tells that if you take two variables, suppose I have two variables x and y, then if you add them and take its complement, then what you have to do, you have to write individual element first. Sorry. It should be y. Then what is the sign over here? It is, bolo? It is plus sign, OR gate, means
Dot.
gate. So here it should be
Dot,
AND.
sir.
Here it will be AND. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it should be bar. here it is because the total bar was there, so this bar will be incorporated on
It's
X
not.
and Y both. So here it is
Sir?
bar and bar. Yes.
Sir, it's a NOR get, not OR get.
This is
Oh, I am
wrong.
saying X plus Y, then this variable. What is in between them? It is plus, na? Do not
Yes,
consider this bar. Okay, I am not talking about get here. We are describing our one theorem. How to remember those theorems? Okay.
Okay.
It is NOR gate. It is correct. It is NOR gate, but it is a De Morgan's theorem. We are not implementing the circuit. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you see when we apply, suppose here when bar is applied over a OR gate, we got AND gate. Okay, this is here we are happening. Now here in this case, if we have X into Y, then it's bar. Then you have to write the individual variable, first X and Y, then you have the bar, then there should be some bar, and this bar is also getting operated on, it is AND gate, na? It is AND gate multiplication. So
Yes, sir.
after
Yes, sir.
operating the bar gate, it will be positive. That means
Plus.
it
OR
will be
gate.
converted
Plus,
to OR. Okay.
OR get.
Okay. So what is the rule? Rule is nothing but OR will be converted to AND, or and
Vice
can-
versa.
and vice versa. Yes. Okay. So this rule, and the thing is that if you have X, then you have to write X prime, or if you have X prime, then you have to write X double prime means X, vice versa. It is easy. Can you remember those things?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If we
Yes, sir.
solve
Yes,
one
sir.
or two problem, it will be very easy. Don't worry. Okay.
But
Now-
there are no major difference between.
No, there is no major difference, because the thing is that while solving different problem, we can have lots of kind of algebraic manipulation. Those algebraic manipulation can be simplified using De Morgan's theorem quickly. That's why you have
But
to
I mean,
learn.
prime and the De Morgan's theorem, sir, they have same indication at the top. How can we identify easy?
Sorry, I didn't get you. How? Please come again. Or एक बार बोलो.
For example, A and A prime.
Yes, A and A prime, A and A
And
prime.
similarly, with we can indicate with come.
We can indicate with.
They also look like same significant numbers, sir. They have same.
No. If you have X, then you have to write X prime, and if you have X prime, then you have to write X. So the changes has to be done. So I was telling that one. Am I clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go to AND gates and NOR gate. Okay. Now suppose this is the NOT gate. I want to implement the NOT gate using NAND gate. Okay, and using NOR gate. Okay. Can we implement this thing? You check whether it is possible or not. You check whether those are possible or not.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir,
if I
both
give
are
the
correct.
input
Yes,
of
sir.
a AND
Yes,
gate,
sir.
same input, I will get A into A prime. Then using De Morgan's theorem, I will get A prime. So final result is A prime. So NOT gate can be implemented using NAND gate. Similarly, using NOR gate, if I give both input same, so A, so OR gate output will be A plus A. First A plus A OR gate, then NOT means double prime. So it will be nothing but A prime into A prime, nothing but A prime. So I am giving A, I am getting A prime. So again it is NOT gate. So in this way we can use NOR or NAND gate to implement NOT gate. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next implement.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear,
Next,
sir.
Next implement AND gate using NAND gate. And in this example, we have shown OR gate using NOR gate. Okay. So you check step by step, and anyone is facing any issue, just tell me. Then I will talk about. I will explain. I believe the circuit is self-explanatory.
Yes, sir.
Anyone facing any issue? Anyone?
Sir, Sir, previous slide, please.
Okay, previous slide. बोलो कौन सा इशू है? हेलो, कौन सा इशू है भाई बोलो? Am I audible?
So I think you are just.
He just wanted to note something. That's why I think.
He's writing.
Okay. Good. You take screenshot, then it will be easy. Screenshot 1, 2, 3 in this way. Okay, can we move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you try to implement the OR gate using NOR gate. You have to practice. You cannot remember how to do these days. If you practice implementing different circuit using NAND gate or NOR gate, it will be very easy. Okay, you have to just practice at your home. So in the class we cannot show all those circuits. At least at your home you have to practice those circuits. Okay, so you explain. Suppose we are trying to explain the example number 2. So I want to implement OR gate using NOR gate. So I am giving A and B. So after the NOR gate, I should get A plus B bar because it is NOR gate. Then if I give both input same over here, then both input same means A plus B bar. It is OR gate first, so OR with A plus B bar. Then NOR gate means whole bar. Then apply De Morgan's theorem. It is a double bar. Double bar means A plus B simple. Then it should be multiplied because it is operating on bar. Bar is operating on plus sign. So again it is a double bar. So A plus B. So that means in this way we will get A plus B. Okay, so in this way De Morgan's theorems are absolutely required or plays an important role while simplifying circuit. Okay, so in this way we can easily use the NOR gate to implement OR gate. Can we go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Here we have implemented OR gate using NAND gate, and here we have implemented AND gate using NOR gate. Okay.
Sir, we have to memorize this.
No, you do not have to memorize. The thing is that if the question comes, okay, if the question comes, you have to suppose if the question comes, you have to implement the OR gate using NAND gate. So in NAND, ND, multiplication will be there, AB, then AB bar. Okay, how to utilize those AB bar in different combination, you have to practice. You practice at your home, then it will be easy. Okay. So first I am explaining.
Yes.
Now the thing is that here I am it is NAND gate. So if I give A, I will get A prime. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I give
Yes,
over
sir.
here B, after that means as the input of NAND gate, I will get B prime. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
then I am
Yes,
giving
sir.
the input A bar and B bar of another third NAND gate. Then I should get A bar. It is a NAND gate, na? Then multiplied of B bar, and it is now it is AND is over. Then it is bar means not. So I will write it is double bar. So A. Now it is bar is operating on AND operation, so it should be positive. That means or then double bar and double bar. So B double bar means only B. So in this way we got only A plus B. So in this way you have to remember one or two operation. Okay, then you can easily solve. You solve 2-3 problem, then it will be easy.
Sir, we can
Just-
make any logic gate using NAND or NOR gate.
Thank you. बाद में बात करते हैं. हाँ, sorry, please come again और एक बार बोलो.
Sir, we
और एक बार
can
बोलो.
make up any logic gate using NAND and NOR gate only.
Yes. Okay, just wait ना. Let me finish this slide, then we'll talk. Okay. अभी थोड़ा wait करो. After you focus on this slide, then we'll come your query. Okay. In a similar way, we can implement AND gate using NOR gate. You observe A, if we give the double input of A, that means double input, same input of a NOR gate, output will be A bar. Here it will be B bar. then B bar and A bar is a input of another NOR gate. So simple, A bar, it is a OR gate, then B bar, then NOR it is happening, so NOT, so double prime, so A, then bar is operating on positive, so it be AND gate, then B, so A and B, so that means it is AND gate, so in this way we can implement. Is it clear?
Sir, it's always possible or it depends
Yes,
on
sir.
example.
No. The thing is that here we are trying to explain in the last 3 slides. Here we have tried to implement NOT gate. You observed? Yes or no? In this slide, we are trying to implement
sir.
NOT gate using NAND gate and NOR gate. In this slide,
Yes,
we
sir.
have implemented AND gate using NAND gate. In the next slide, we have implemented OR gate using NAND gate. Okay, out of 3 basic gates, we have implemented all those 3 basic gates using NAND gate. In the previous slide, we have implemented OR gate using NOR gate. In the next slide, we have implemented AND gate using NOR gate. So if I summarize, we have implemented NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate using NAND and NOR gate individually, not simultaneously. So in this way we can say all the basic circuits can be implemented either using NAND gate or NOR gate or combination of both. Agree? We can combine, we can replace this, we can replace this as a NAND gate also, because the output is
Sir, there
same.
are also universal gates.
Wait,
Universal gate.
Universal we are coming, just wait na, itna jaldi kya hai, don't wait, don't be hurry. So okay, so we can easily say NAND gate and NOR gate can be used to implement NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Up to this, is there any query up to this?
No, sir.
Okay, now let's go to some previous slide. In this complicated circuit, we have used OR gate. So here I can use either NAND or NOR gate. Agree? Here I can use either NAND or NOR gate. Agree? Here I can also use either NAND or NOR gate. Agree? In the place of AND gate, I can use either NAND or NOR gate. So the whole circuit can be replaced using either NAND, NAND or NOR gate. So any circuit, so that means this circuit can be implemented using NAND gate or NOR gate. Up to this, is it clear?
Yes,
is it clear?
Yes,
Similarly,
sir.
go to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can also implement the whole circuit either using NAND gate or NOR gate or combination of both. Clear or not? Because we have used only OR gate or AND gate or NOT gate. Okay? Okay, is it clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Because now in the 2 example we found, we have used initially only NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Now after learning the NAND gate and NOR gate operation, we have found we can replace all NOT gate, NAND or AND gate and NOR gate and OR gate. Okay, and we can use only NAND gate or NOR gate to implement a particular circuit. So if we design any circuit, we don't have to use AND gate or NOT gate or OR gate. We can use either NAND gate or NOR gate or both, combination of both. So that's why it is called universal gate, and that's why it is widely used for industry application. I believe those students who are telling universal gate, I believe you got the reason. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Let's go to.
Thank you, sir.
It's over. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
But
sir.
don't worry, don't
Thank you,
leave.
sir.
Don't
you, sir.
leave,
Thank
don't
you, sir.
leave, don't leave. Don't leave. Yes, I have.
Sir, serial numbers.
Wait. थोड़ा तो wait करो. Now it is
सर ने
3.
बोला था ना बुधवार को देंगे.
देंगे. Now the thing is that, can you see my window? Can you see my window?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am opening assignment. Okay, I will upload this assignment in your file section. Okay, first of all, the last date is 20 December. Is it okay?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to email two student. That means not two student. You have to email me. This is my email ID, Gmail ID. If you Google using my name, you will get the same email ID. And at the same time, you have to email Jointo also. In one email,
On
you have
both
to,
email we should do.
both.
Okay, sir.
You have to send the.
Sir, have
That's
we
why I'm telling.
Sir, we can do just CC.
Yes, CC. Yes, one email is sufficient. Write the both name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Send me a
Okay, sir.
Zimbra mail.
No, it is. Is it Zebra? It is Zebra email. Is it Zebra?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then why you are asking?
Google
It
Mail.
is Google, no, it is Gmail.
Google.
The thing is that we have
Sir,
limited
Sir, can you
space in
provide
Gmail.
the both mail?
Send the assignment to both the
Hello,
email
sir, I have
IDs.
a question.
You wait now. Let's finish the all the information related to email ID. Then we'll talk about serial number. You have to email to both using single email. You can write the email to Jointo. He is my student, and you can make me CC. Okay? Is it okay?
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the assignment. Now this is the assignment. I will upload those one. Okay. Now let's come to serial number. Okay. Let's first upload this assignment.
आज पिलाମାନେ ପୁରା କହିଥିଲେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପିଡିଏଫ କରି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମକୁ କିଛି ବୁଝି ଆସୁନି
शुभम अभिषेक त्रिपाठी
ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ମୋର କୋର୍ସ ସରିବନି ସେଥିରୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଫିଜିକ୍ସ
Okay,
ସାର୍ ତ ସରି
please mute yourself. Those who are speaking, please mute yourself.
भाई बंद कर दे माइक.
I do not know Uriya. Okay. First of all, I do not know Uriya.
Then
Okay,
it's
now-
okay, sir. Then
It's
you
okay.
can talk, bro.
It's okay, sir.
Now you can. I have uploaded those one. This modified version. Okay, where we have given the email also, and you have to email to both. You can write the email to Jointo Bhattacharya. Okay, just copy paste. Do not write if you forget any letter, then there may be some issue, and you can make CC to me. Okay, then it will be sufficient. You do not have to write separate two email. Write single email and give the email address of both person. Then I'm coming to this. Okay, now this is the attendance sheet. The thing is that we found only 152-54 student. Okay, so it is not available. In our section in the last 14 December we found we have 161 student. But the thing is that suddenly the spring semester has been started, and that's why they have removed all the previous roll sheets. So we are unable to download your roll sheets. So I have emailed the academic register to give the that means roll sheet of section H. Okay, if I get it, then I will provide it. But for the time being, you can use this file to write your serial number. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. It's clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now suppose I'm giving one example. Suppose one person is there whose name is not available in this roll sheet. Then in the serial place he should write ZZ. Paint. He should write क्या paint क्या आ गया भाई रुको. In the serial number he should write what was the format of the submitting the file. Let me check this one, I forgot.
ASGN
Okay, let's take here. Suppose
BEE
it's okay we have found. Okay, ये वाला तो ये हो गया. इसको बंद करो, इसको ओपन करो. Okay, suppose this student, suppose some ABC student, the name of the student is ABC and his name is not available in the roll sheet. Okay, for him, as his roll number is not available in the roll sheet, there will be no serial number. Correct? So in this case, he or she should write the file in this way: BEE underscore ASGN underscore, it is experiment 5, that's why I'm writing 5. Then serial number, in the place of serial number he should write ZZ double Z. Okay, then roll number. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Please, I'm requesting to all my dear students, please open this file and check your roll number, whether your roll number is available or not. If your roll number is not available, then you have to follow this format. Please check once. Abhi download karke dekho. I have also please download it and please check it whether your name is available or not.
Yes,
Sir, it is
sir.
available in the MS Team app, no?
Yes, MS Team file option. MS Team file option. MS Team file option. I have also uploaded this one. MS Team file option.
My name isn't available, so I will put ZZ.
Okay. Your name is not available, so you have to put ZZ. Is it clear right now?
Yes, sir.
My name
is available. Whose name is not available, I am asking to them only. Just raise your voice if your name is not available. If your name is available, you don't have to say. Okay. If your name is not available, then raise your voice.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse
Sir, what is the file name?
in our file section.
So it file section we have uploaded, na?
Sir, but it is not showing there.
Then you refresh. You refresh. Other
Sir,
students are
Go to the assignment section.
go to the
It
assignment.
is in the assignment folder.
Open the assignment folder.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for helping your friends. Thank you. Teamwork is required. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. I got that.
It's okay. You thank your friends. Okay.
I'm thanking them.
Okay. Please check your name whether your name is available or not. If your name is not available, then tell me. You have to write ZZ in the place of serial number. Okay.
Sir, in which folder it is
Do we
there?
have to attach the assignment questions with answer?
Yes, obviously. Otherwise, how can you understand now for which answer you are writing? At least you have to write now. Question is very small, 1 line, 2 line question. 4 questions
sir.
are there, 4 lines you have to write. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Someone was asking
Sir, we
something.
have to write
You are
this
mute me
as-
abhi.
I am muting. Someone has muted. No, I am not muted. Okay, now tell me.
Sir, sir,
Yes, bolo.
sir, we have to write the question answer in a paper, or we have to do in MS Word or like that file.
It is better to write in your paper and pen and paper. Don't type. If you type, it will take huge time. So use your pen and paper, then scan it, then make one PDF and send, and then
Yes.
email us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, any kind
Sir,
of paper will be acceptable, right?
Any kind of paper doesn't matter, but don't use newspaper. We have to read your letter. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any kind of rule paper, black. That means you use.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, instead of scanning, can we मतलब उसको फोटो उठा के भेज सकते हैं क्या?
How many pages you have to send?
No, मतलब सर वो स्कैनर नहीं है ना हमारे पास.
अरे you photo खींचो.
Only one page.
You can do it in Adobe Scanner in phone.
Adobe Scan.
Wait. Let me clear. Wait. Please.
Just take a
quiet.
photo.
Please quiet. Okay. I have muted to everyone. Please. Now you take photo. You're using your mobile phone. Then use online PDF converter. It is available, freely available. You upload those photos one by one, serial numbering. Using serial number, you upload all those photos one by one. Then it will upload. Then it will convert to PDP, and you can download that PDF. Then email that PDF only as per our file name. Do not send 2, 3 file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There is
Okay. Only PDF.
Sir, we can use Cam Scanner as well.
Sir,
Yes,
there is
yes,
a app,
yes.
PDFO app, sir.
Yes,
Easily we
lots
can
of
make
apps are
PDF.
available. Please write the, yes, please write the name of the apps in our WhatsApp group so that I can also use those apps. Okay, I cannot remember those things. Okay, you
Sir,
please help.
Sir, I use
Doc scanner,
PowerPoint.
sir.
Cam scanner and image to PDF
I
converter.
use
You
doc scanner.
write in the WhatsApp group
Adobe
so that
Scanner.
I can also learn.
Doc scanner.
Cam
You-
scanner is banned, bro. You shouldn't use that.
I'm using through VPN, bro.
Why? There is Adobe
Please-
Scanner. You can use it.
Please write in the WhatsApp group
Sir,
so that
Adobe
It is
Scanner.
basic
not stay
electronics
here.
engineering
written,
class.
sir.
Why we are discussing this?
Oh, I have someone has again unmuted me. Okay, good. Okay,
Sir, I
so
have
it
a
is-
doubt.
Okay, bolo.
Sir,
No, don't leave. Someone has
sir,
doubt.
can we use shortcuts in the solutions?
What?
Can we use some shortcuts in the solutions?
You can use any solution anytime, doesn't matter, but you have to read the question carefully. Read the question carefully means, suppose in the question it is written, you have to find the ones complement. Okay, and 2 marks are given. Then ones complement we know na, we have to convert. Suppose this is the question ones complement.
1 and 1 to 0.
Then yes, 1 has to be converted to 0 and 0 has to be converted to 1. So in this way it should be
So we can
0
do
1 1 0 0. So we cannot give you 2 marks. We will give 0.5 because the question was you try to find the ones complement and 2 marks was given. So you cannot take shortcut in that case. Suppose the question is given, perform m minus n using ones complement. Then you can use shortcut. Because lots of steps are there, other steps are there, 2 marks are there, then you can use shortcut. If 4 marks are there, then show all step. Okay, shortcuts are normally used while giving viva or any kind of job interview. Okay, don't try to show the shortcuts
Excuse
in
me,
your
sir.
exam copy. Yes, bolo.
So the
Yes.
subtraction, the rough works, I haven't shown them actually.
Doesn't
The
matter.
subtraction.
Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
But the thing is that in the exam hall you have to show all kind of rough work. Otherwise,
Yes,
how
sir.
can
I'll do it in the side of the question paper.
yes.
With
Otherwise,
line.
how will understand whether you are doing by yourself or you are copying from your friend? Okay. So I know you are
Yes,
doing by
sir.
yourself. So that's why you show each and everything. Okay. So this is the thumb rule. Do not leave anything. Whatever you have, you show everything. Okay. So let's stop our class. So let's stop
Sir,
our
we
class.
should. Sir, we should.
Yes. What is the query?